How to hide like counts on Instagram post. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about hiding the like counts on Instagram post. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Instagram application on your mobile device and you're logged in with your specific account. Now launch the application. Here we will try uploading a post on our Instagram hiding the like counts. So for that, click on this plus icon in the bottom middle of the screen, tap on it, select a photo you'd like to upload and then click on next. From this page you can add location, tag specific people, you can also add music to your post. You can set the audience to either followers, close friends, according to your account privacy. And if you scroll down, you can go ahead and click on more options. Here you have to locate the option of hide like counts on this post. That is in the like and share accounts section, the initial option. Just simply toggle the switch on and come back and click on share, that is highlighted in blue color. Now the post has been successfully posted in your Instagram account. Your like counts on this specific Instagram post will be hidden. And in the case if you'd like to unhide the like counts on this post, you can just simply click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and then tap on unhide like count, that is just below the archive option. This is exactly how you can hide like counts on Instagram posts. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.